Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of YesStyle weekly settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about YesStyle and you will enter. Here we click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about YesStyle, and if you find update here, then you will update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your